Okay, quick look at the NQ. Same thing here. We've got a 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for it to hold above 68.20 and push up to 7030 area to complete 5 up. Then we need it to hold the pullback next week. So it's exactly the same as the ES. And again, in YM, same thing. YM in relative terms has come up higher than the other indices. It's come off the exact area of the previous 4 and is pushing up. 25,752 is what I'm looking for in the YM from here. And then the pullback in 3 waves into next week. That sets up swing longs in all sorts of things. I briefly went through the sector ETFs and some of the major stocks yesterday in the room. They are all setting up a 1-2 to the upside pattern. They've got very similar patterns in most cases to the indices. So we're looking for pullbacks in order to load up on longs into January, both indices wise, ETF wise and stock wise from here.